A special tribute this morning to our four-state hero, Thomas Dietz, who served in the United States Navy from 1969 to 1973. A native of Pittsburgh, we're proud to salute Thomas Dietz, our four-state hero, and also proud to wish Thomas Dietz a very, very happy birthday. Mr. Dietz turns 71 today, and he is one of the uncles of our own graphic artist, Will York. And so not only from Will, Mr. Dietz, but from all of us here at KOM and Fox 14, a very happy birthday, and let the party commence in Weir. Addilyn Winter with a second birthday. I love your bow, Miss Addilyn. She is celebrating in St. Paul. And Quest Makai, that's a cool picture right there. My goodness, it's like early zoology. And an awesome name too. Quest, a very happy birthday to you. She is in Pittsburgh. Kennedy Thompson with a 9th birthday. Kennedy, she's celebrating in Parsons. And Layton Lewis. Throw a couple of ones on the board from Mr. Layton. We got, whoa. We don't get many of these, hold on. Is that what I think it is? I ain't taking him on. You give me an 11-year-old who's already got a bowling ball in his hands? Layton, I'm lucky if I can break 150, my man. That is a great picture. Now you go knock down those 200. You get up to 300 right there. Now Layton, a happy birthday from both mom and dad. That's a first. I think that's we get a whole lot of animals in pictures with everybody. That's the first time I think we got a bowling ball in picture. That's awesome. I love that. Rod Watson, celebrating his 55th birthday. Rod, I want you to have a marvelous day. He is in Weir. And who that is? That dude right there. That's our own Zack Wilson. Dude will put a smile on your face. He'll make you laugh. I promise you that. He is our own marketing consultant at KOM and Fox 14. Zack, a very, very happy birthday to you, my friend. BJ Hensley turning 43. BJ, this happy birthday wish comes from Ashley, the kids, and Dad, as BJ celebrates in Nevada. And Kaylee Rutherford, a happy 8th birthday. Miss Kaylee, she resides in Iola. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into birthdays@komtv.com if you go the email route, or if you would like to do it online, you can also go to our website, komnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now, the KOM Birthday Club is also at komnewsnow.com. That's where you get special deals from our four-state businesses. All you got to do, go to the website, sign up, and we'll get you part of the KOM Birthday Club today. As we take a look at our Skywatch Storm Tracker, the heaviest rain now making its way to the eastern portion of southwest Missouri. We are breaking up not only to the west, but down to the south. So we'll get a little bit of a late morning reprieve, if you will. Our flood warning staying just to the far northwest. We got about that much of a county. But I'll tell you what, we're going to see flood watches and warnings gradually increase here as we go through the week, because we've already picked up, we're up to 3/4 of an inch there in Joplin where it's not raining anymore. And the rain, even as it moves forward, we're going to look at more rain down to the south that is just going to keep presenting itself all the way through the 7-day forecast. 63 in Joplin, 63 in Parsons. Let's roll 63 in Pittsburgh. So that seems to be the magical number right now. For you radar watchers, this is what we're going to look at. The old Arklatex region, and got everything moving from Texas to Louisiana to Arkansas. All the Gulf moisture is going to make its way from the south straight up through the north. That's the pattern that we're going to see throughout the course of this week. Now, the severe thunderstorm risk map keeps us in that minimal level, and yeah, we would rather just see the lighter green, but at the same point in time, you can tell gradually as you work your way through portions of Oklahoma how we see the low and elevated down there, so it gives you an idea of how it does kind of lessen in intensity as it moves from south to north. Temperature's still going to be in the mid-70s today, so that's not too bad. Here's our afternoon break as we get more scattered, and then through the evening hours, almost clearing off. But then Tuesday morning, we're just going to re-ramp, and we're going to roll it one more time again. And we're talking about some serious rainfall there through the central portion all the way into Wednesday morning. Really doesn't want to stop until we get into the weekend. Finally, we'll taper off on Saturday, but our chances still remain. And look at those temperatures. That increases the instability and means the presence of thunderstorm activity all the way through late May. We'll be back. Wrap up this edition of the KOAM Morning News right after this.